Welcome to Untitled restaurant. Today, we are going to learn how to make fried rice. Fried rice recipe. Ingredients: 200 grams cooked rice, 2 eggs, scrambled, 50 grams chicken breast, boiled and shredded, 3 cloves garlic, 5 shallots, 7 red chilies, 3 stalks chives, chopped, pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1/2 teaspoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Directions: crush all the spices together, sauté with a little cooking oil. Add eggs and chicken breast. Add rice, soy sauce, pepper, and fish sauce. Do not add salt because the fish sauce is already salty. Cook until done. Vocabulary builder: cooked rice, cooked rice, egg, egg, chicken breast, chicken breast, garlic, garlic, shallot, shallot, red chili, red chili, chives, chives, pepper, pepper, fish sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, soy sauce, cooking oil, cooking oil, fried rice, fried rice,